Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to schedule events on Discord. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To initiate the event creation process on Discord, ensure that you are logged into your Discord account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Brave general section, and you'll find or notice the events option at the top left. So click on it to begin the event creation. Commence the event creation by selecting create event, and here you have the flexibility to choose the channel for your event. After selecting the voice channel, you'll need to specify whether it's a lobby or gaming event. In case you go for something else, you'll be prompted to paste the link into the provided box, choose the voice chat and gaming options, and proceed to the next step. Now, as you enter the What's Your Event About section, articulate the purpose of the event, whether it's a gaming session with friends, a casual chat in a general channel, or any other activity. Make it clear. Now, set the start date to your preferred day and time, granting you the flexibility to choose when the event kicks off. In the start time section, tailor the commencement time according to your preferences. The description field allows you to communicate additional details about the event, such as instructions, what participants need to bring, or what to expect. Feel free to upload a cover image to enhance the event's visual appeal, and if necessary, make any last-minute changes to the image. And now, proceed to the next step after ensuring all details are accurately inputted. Review the information, and once satisfied, click on Create Event. The system will generate a unique link that you can use to invite more participants. Keep in mind that the link will expire in 7 days. Share the link and make your event a success. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.